Are you afraid of getting screwed by your home remodeling contractor?
How do you make sure you don't get screwed by your contractor? This is a huge concern for a lot of homeowners. One of the first things you need to do is make sure you've got clarity around what you want and why you're doing the renovation. Make sure you're on the same page with the contractor there. So whenever they realize that piece, if they can repeat it back to you, realize what you're doing, why you're doing it. So that means you get a better renovation. So secondly, you want to talk to multiple contractors who have done projects just like yours and talk to their references. You have no idea how many people ask us for references and then never make a phone call. So it's fine. I've got them. You can talk to whoever I want to. Make the phone calls. You can find out some things that may or may not help you as far as getting the right contractor for your renovation. And third, so you want to make sure you get a detailed contract with what they're going to be doing specifically in this, and then lay out how and when they're going to be paid and stick to that piece. So I've seen this happen over and over again where homeowners have paid their contractors way before they should have paid, then the contractor leaves the job and leaves them hung up. So make sure you have that detailed contract that lays out literally everything that's going to be done and exactly when they're going to be paid for the pieces they've got in there. So, and all this planning, so all comes into play whenever you're doing your remodeling roadmap with us. So make sure to join our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge. This will go ahead and smooth all this out. We give you contracts, we give you ways to hire contractors, the questions you need to be asking to them whenever you're talking to them. You're going to lay out this whole process. All you have to do to join our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge is go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. So you see the link on the screen. So go there right now, get yourself registered for the upcoming program so you'll be part of our next challenge. I look forward to seeing you there.